Hey everybody, as promised, store tour today. We are at Rocket Fireworks in Wright City, Missouri, here to check out some of their product. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey everybody, we're going to start with some of our assortment items. So over here we got a couple of the backpacks. You can see the price there. $130 for a case of 10, really well priced, but $20 for one. Down here you can see some of the larger assortments. We got $80, $100, $50 for some of these. Really well priced. And you got the big masterclass assortment, only $180. Look at that. You got some blank space assortments. Got the works, $100. Magic hour for $25. Perfect time, $35. And this special purse assortment, it's only $6. We got kind of a Roman candle wall here. We got Firing Squad for $8. Make-A-Wish, $9. Gatling gun for $20. Gatling gun for $15. Crazy Aces for $10. Mighty Max for $8. Then these 10 ball are for $3. Then these mini blasters and these white and blue crackling. Over here we got some of our 200 gram cakes, red, white, and blue for $20. Mechanical Bug, $15. Evil Enemy, $10. Mobile Menace, $10. Broken Heart, $6. Look at that, Golden Peacock for $6. Martin Bomber, $6. Happy 36 shot, only $5. Gold Alert, $12. Super Stallion, $6. Bling Bling, $10. Super Mad, $10. Fin Fuel, only at $12. And Brocade Crown, I've shot this one. This one's really nice. Only $10. Then down there we got Wiggly Tadpole, $9. $10 for Instant Replay, $10 for Silver Screen. And we got these small little We Love It's for $2.50. Dinosaurs for $2.50. Shockers for $2.50. Stop and Go for $10. And then you can get a case for $95. And down here we got Air Hockey Hero for $15. Pinball Wizard for $15. And I've shot this one as well. This one's quite nice. We got the red, white, and blue Salute for only $10. Then we got Magnificent Festival 25 shot, $10. And a Brothers Classic here, Suspended Animation, $10. Neon Strobe by Sunwing, $10. Crisscross by Winda, $10. Copper Devils, $10. And pretty much all these other items are $10, with the exception for Atomic Thunder. And we got some fountains over here. We got Be All End All, this huge Brothers fountain. I'm guessing it's long duration. It's only $30, but you can get a case of 4 for $80. And we've got these giant snow cone fountains, only $15. Sweet sodas, $8. Neon jelly beans, $15. Flutter By, $10. Extra Zesty, $5. Dream Flower Fountain for $3, but you can get a case of 48 for $85. Tangled Web, $4. Color Chrysanthemum, $3.50, $2.50. Bright Star Fountain for $8.50. Ducking Around, $10. Master Iconic Twin Fountains, these are pretty neat, only $5 on those. Sawworks for $12. And we got this cat, not really sure what that is, assume it's a fountain. And we got the Moby Dick for $10. Silent Mode, it's a $10, $12 fountain. And we got some other items here. Got some Magic Floating Ghosts. Purplicious.
Mobile Menace in Florida. Before the markdown, the price is $45. Now, before you do this, let me show you something. Because when you start building up on these cakes, I had what they call 30 dozen, 5 brothers. Going to give you 12 these 200-gram cakes. Price is $100.
We got a 300-shot Saturn missile for only 12 bucks. It's crazy. Then we got a short version of that for only 10. Equally as crazy. Then we got this 200-shot Saturn missile for 8 bucks. Then a couple more down there. We got this 16,000 roll of firecrackers. That's only 70 bucks. And then a couple more of the Saturn missile items. Got some firecrackers here. Got the 1,000 firecrackers for only 6 bucks. That's a crazy price. We got the 100 firecrackers for $9.85. Nuclear snaps for 2. And some more parachute items down here. Some bottle rockets and whatnot. Keep in mind, guys, the store is going to be much more stocked up by the end of this year. Still post 4th of July season, so not everything they normally have would be here, but just wanted to get in here and give you guys a video anyways. Got VIP, crazy price on that. That's a great cake. Compound cake. Front row seats by Winda, 65. And we got this Magnus assortment for 80 bucks. Armed Forces by Raccoon. We got some other nice cake assortments. Redneck Survival Kit, 1,500 gram World Tour, Sportzilla, Container Load Blue, and Mob Madness. And we got some more assortments over here. We got the big box of bombs, only 100 bucks on that one. See, guys, like at other stores, you're gonna see this stuff for, you know, twice the price, maybe 3 times if you go to TNT or Phantom. And we got Wingspan, another assortment for $90. Got this 5-minute Royal Flush for $130. I believe there's a total of 10 cakes in there, so your price to cake ratio is very, very high. And you got Gas Money. That's another cake assortment. Then we got Best Case Scenario by Brothers. We got a couple more cake assortments here. We got Brothers Legend, Brothers 42-shot collection. Got the Deadly Dozen, All-Star Action. Then over here we got the 49-shot collection with 4 cakes. That only runs you $90. Brothers Stars, only 110. And we got some mines and shells over here and whatnot. We got the Master Double Bangs. Those are $7. We got some Whistling Busters. And we got some more artillery shells here. Sniper Fire, canister shells. Got these artillery shells here. Got the Black Queen ball shells here. Smoke and mirrors, you can get a case of 12 for $150. Then down here we got Grand Jury for $70. Smoke and mirrors is only 60 bucks. And over here we got these Boom Boom boxes. You can get those for $5 a piece. Echo in the Ear is only 20. Quest is $60, and then this Jackpot 777 is $60. Pack and Heat, 80 bucks. G-Force for 70. Ghost-tacular for 70. Neon Beef, Holy Nishiki for 70 bucks each. The 5-inch titanium shells by Supreme, 60 bucks. Neon Skies, 70 bucks. And then these 2 Raccoon canister shell cases are 70 a piece. And again, guys, you're gonna see stuff like this at other stores for twice the price, 3 times the price. Moving on to some of our 500 gram cakes, we got the Raging Ninja for 35, but you can get a case of 4 for 105, guys. If you come in here, make sure to take advantage of those case prices. They can save you a lot of money in the long run if you're putting on a big show. Hurry up for 35. Got Party Like It's 1776 for 90. A couple of these 1-1 finale cakes, Fast Lane. That's crazy pricing. $70 for Fast Lane, but you can get 2 of them for $110. Amazing Ballet for 80. Look at this, Pandemonium for 80. Pretty sure I saw this at a store for 150 bucks this season. We got some gender reveal cakes, 35 bucks a pop for those. Got this Sky Burner 1-1 finale cake here. Got Barnstormer for 100. Mainframe for 50. And check out all these. Pricing on these is amazing as well. We got Tada by Winda for 40. Killer Hornets for 90. Current Events, $18. College Shots, 18. Sound and Light Show for 100. Neon Pulse for 40. Trophy Wife, 25. Major Combat is only 100. Megawatts 100. Sky Hunters 80. Crisscross 80 bucks. Then Rowdy Party. You can see the pricing on these is out of this world. And we got Howling Wolf here for 40. Moving on, continuing with some more 500 gram items, we got Military Tribute for 30. Best Case Scenario, $30. More of those. Oh, there's a whole wall of those. It's amazing. As you can see, good pricing continues regardless of what item you're looking for. Supreme Brocade, I've shot that one. That one's only 40 bucks. Great cake. Pyru Tsunami, another great cake, only 30 bucks. Hustle Bustle, 30. Whitewater for 40. Willow Explosion for 40. Primo for 30. And some of our big guys down here. Gonna run you 60, 70, 50. I got Snazzy, Sassy, Blow Your Mind, Heavy Rain, Rush Hour. And we got some of the classics here. Highfalutin, Hit the Road Jack, only 25 bucks a pop there. Shotgun Winning for 35, Blonde Joke for 30. Saturday Night Special for 30, Smoke Show for 40. Once again, the good pricing continues regardless of where you go in the store. You're not going to see any pricing that's even comparably close to normal retail pricing. Everything is significantly discounted or just straight up half off compared to normal. So make sure you get in here and pick some of this product up. Like I said, he's going to get more coming in soon, but still a lot of good stock right now to take advantage of in the off season. All right, moving on to the $20 500 gram wall. This is probably what the store is best known for. We got some pretty awesome and well-known 500 gram cakes for only 20 bucks. So make sure you get in here and take advantage of these. Also ask for case pricing. Like I said, well-known cakes. These aren't some random 500 gram cakes you never heard of. You got some classics like Old Ironside, Bamboozled, Light Brigade, all 20 bucks. And at other stores, you're gonna see stuff like this for 40, 50, 60 bucks. But here you get it for 20, so. That's Skyscraper for 20. Zoom of Boom, 20. We Love It Loud, 20. Fire Drake, 20. And all the rest of this product is 20 as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you all.